Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Once a week I teach a small group of 4 students who all know each other quite well. They're good friends and they've known each other for years. And usually they're very punctual. They're all there at the start of the lesson, raring to go, very keen. And it's great if you've got a small group of 4 because you can put them in 2 groups of 2. They can go to their own breakout rooms. As a teacher, I can go round, listen to what they're talking about in each room, help them try to say things better. This morning, sadly, one of the students was late. And so her friend of hers said, "Hey, I'll just text Anna and try and find out where she is." To which I added, "Tell her to get a move on." If you tell someone to get a move on, basically you want them to hurry. You want them to stop being slow. So those of you with children will know that feeling in the morning when you're trying to get your kids out of the door and off to school and they're dawdling and you have to shout at them saying, "Come on you two, get a move on or you're going to be late for school." In the same way, maybe, if you have to catch a flight or catch a train, you might tell the people that you're with, "Come on, we're running late. We'll need to get a move on or we're going to miss our flight or we're going to miss our train." And sometimes with my writing partner, Andrew, we have little conversations about how tight the deadlines are, where we say, "It's really tight, this deadline. We're going to need to get a move on if we're going to meet it." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use get a move on.